So last class we discussed, right? So what is Jenkins pipeline, and so how many types of Jenkins pipeline, and what is the basic syntax, declarative pipeline, what is scripted pipeline, and also we discussed, right? Already we seen a simple example also. So how to write some sample declarative pipeline and how to run it. Can you see my screen? So already last class we seen, right? Let's continue on this. And let me create one job. Now if we come to here, my screen is visible.
No, sir. Still buffering. Sir. Yes,
Okay,
now it's visible, sir.
wait 1 second. Okay. So now, so this is the flow. Now already you know manual process and all. So this is the repository. So now I'm going to configure Jenkins server. Jenkins server keep on monitoring your repository, and with the help of build tools Maven and all, I want to generate artifact files. Once the artifact file is generated, I want to deploy that artifact file into my Tomcat server or any server. This is the flow. This manually also we can implement via Jenkins via pipeline also we can implement. Same story repository, and this is our repo. This is our repository, and so this is the CI/CD tool Jenkins, and I'm going to set up. And this is the build tool Maven and all. And so this is the Tomcat server. We are going to set up Tomcat server. This is the deployment server. Right. So this entire flow we can do two ways. Manually also we can implement via Jenkins pipeline also we can implement. Now manually how to configure this and all already everyone know. So now how to implement via pipeline and all. Now we'll see. So now come to your Jenkins server. Now this is my Jenkins server. Let me create one job. So for example, I'm creating a pipeline. Just I given Maven. Okay. Now select pipeline job. That's it. Now if you go here, now go to pipeline. This is right. Now already last class. What is this? Pipeline syntax. It starts with pipeline, under pipeline, and so we are calling agent any. That is agent means so agent any means which worker node you want to execute. Under the tools section, and we are going to configure our build tools and all. And what is the syntax? Stages. Stages is the root tag. So under this stages, we can add many stages. So for example, this is the stage. So in this stage, I want to connect my steps. This is the under the steps. We are going to write your actual task and all. Now, right now I don't want anything. I am removing. I will add later. Now this is the agent any, and so under agent. So under agent, this is the stage. Here I am going to connect my repository SCM source code management. Now this is the syntax, guys. You need to remember nothing. Now this is the actual task. So here I want to connect my repository. So how to connect your repository? So this is my repository, GitHub. And so if you want to connect your repository, click on your repository name. Click on repository name and click on here. Let me select any one repository. Okay, go to here. I want to select a Maven web project. So Maven web project, and this is the main branch, and copy this URL. So if you want to write, so here how to write this script and all. Suppose you don't know anything. Now I don't know how to write this script and all. So if we know directly we can write it. Just assume I don't know anything how to write this script and all under this stage. So already Jenkins it is providing a syntax, guys. See here there is a pipeline syntax. There is a pipeline syntax. So this is the syntax. Every some sample commands and all already provided by Jenkins. Sample commands and all are provided by Jenkins. If you click on this, if you click on this, no need to remember everything. Just if you learn how to play with these commands. See here, this is a snippet generator will help you learn the pipeline script code. which can be used to define various steps. I want to write my Jenkins pipeline. If you are familiar on this, we can directly write without this help. Right now we are initial phase, right? You don't know how to write the script and all. Now, if we click on here sample steps, so there is many commands available here, many steps available here, sample. Now, here there is a git. If you see here, there is a one sample git. If we click on git, see sample step git. Now it is asking repository name, repository URL, which repository you want to connect, and which branch. This is the default branch. Now I want to connect main branch and credential. But right now my repository is public. Even if I didn't add my credential, it will work. But real time this is also mandatory. Click add button, click on Jenkins. Now we need to add your repo credential as well, username with password. What is my username? This is my username, and so my credential. Let me add my password. But public repository and all, if you are not added, no problem. But in private repository, real time 100% we need to add this and all, otherwise it won't work. And this is the ID, whatever we want we can. So this is dev repo or maven repo, right? This is maven repo. I given some name, whatever you want we can give it. So this is, if you are not passing anything, it will default, it will generate Jenkins one ID. That's it. Now see here, select, see here, where is that one? Maven repo credential. That's it. Now see here, remaining story same only, guys. So there is a one button, generate pipeline script. GUI is very easy, right? This is the repository URL. This is the branch name, and this is the credential ID added. And I don't know how to write. If we click on this button, it will generate. See here, this is your pipeline script, guys. Copy this one and go to here. Just paste it. That's it. See, very simple. So this is the syntax. Git branch. Which branch you want to connect, and credential ID. This is my credential ID, and this is my repository URL. Anyone, any doubt here? If you know directly, we can write it. If you don't know, go to that pipeline syntax, go to that pipeline syntax, go to that pipeline syntax and generate. Pass this information, fill this all this information and all, and fill all this information and all. Fill all this information. Finally, click the so generate a pipeline script. That's it. So now come to here, apply, save. Now click on the build now. Now see here, it is failing. Console output, and what is this? Stage anything workflow expected steps. There is some syntax error. Go to pipeline and go to configuration and go to pipeline. Where is this pipeline stage? Anything missing, guys? Stage.
Steps is spelling mistake, sir.
Okay, st steps, right? Step st steps, right? Okay, apply, save. Now build now. Now see here. Now if you click on go to build, go to build, go to build, go to console output. Now see here, it is connected to my repository. 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 It is clone my repo code and all. Now got it. Now this is the one step done. Now I want to compile my source code. So now if you want to compile, now go to here, configuration, go to pipeline, and I need to add. So like this, we can add many stages, guys. Copy this stage, copy this stage, and so paste it. So once source code is cloned, and I want to compile my source code. If you want to compile, right, a Maven life cycle. What is this? I want to compile. Stage name is I given compile. So if you want to compile, what is the Maven life cycle? I want to compile my source code, my Java code. So this is the Linux, right? sh space, okay, mvn space. What is this compilation?
Compiles.
Compile. That's it. If you want to, we can write any echo statement and all. So echo, okay, source code. Here, if you for your understanding purpose, echo, whatever you want. Okay. Now this is the stage name. This is the compile, and here I given stage name is HCM. Apply, save. Now check it, build now. Now check it, build now. So now check it, earlier one stage, right? Now second stage. See here, earlier only one stage. So this is the only one stage. Now this is second stage, compile. Now click on this. Now go to here, console output. Now see here. So this stage also done. After compilation, I want to generate artifact file, guys. So now tell me, artifact file. What is the life cycle? Maven life cycle.
MVN
MN
package.
package.
MN package. What is the job name? Pipeline Maven. Click on this. Go to configuration. In real time also we are adding like this many stages. That is, right, user defined stages and all we can add it. That is the main advantage of pipeline. Whatever we want, we can add it. Now I want a artifact file. Artifact file. Generate artifact file. Okay. Hmm. This is your understanding purpose. Generate the artifact file. Okay. So sh maven package. That's it. Now see here. This is the one stage. This is the one stage, and this is the one stage. Now see here. Apply, save. Apply, save. That's it. So now once that is done, now build now. Now earlier two stages, right? Now we can see one more stage also. See here. Now this is also success. So for this stage, 318 milliseconds. For compilation, 2 seconds. For generate artifact files, 3 seconds. Now go to click on this build, and so click on this console, and now observe here. Now observe here. Artifact file was generated or not? Clear, guys? Okay. Now up to this. This is the Maven, and I integrated Maven, and also artifact files is. Suppose specifically if you want to call any Maven version. So in real time, what we are following? We are following specific version every project. So if you want to call a specific Maven version and all, so that case also we can do it. Go to manage Jenkins and go to tools section, and which version I am using here? Maven. Observe here. What is the version I am using? 3.8.6. Copy this one, and if you want to use a specific Maven version, so that case also we can update it. So go to your script. So Maven, what is this? This is the pipeline. Go to configuration. Click on the pipeline. Under this, there is a one tag is there, guys. Tools tag. Under the tool tag. So if you want to add, so Maven, and which version you want to call. Specifically, I want to use for this project Maven 3.8.6. This name is coming from tool section. This name, this specific Maven version is coming from tool section. Now clear? If you want to specifically use a specific Maven, any build tools and all, so this is the one tag. Tools, under tools, we need to call that your name. Anyone, any doubt here? Clear, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, apply, save. Now build now. Now see here whether it will success or fail. Now check it. Now everything is done. See, clone the project and compiling the code, and it is generating artifact files and everything, it is okay. So finally artifact file was generated. And final stage, this is the CI/CD. This is the CI/CD tool we are using, and this is the build tool we used Maven. And once build tool is done, finally I want to deploy my Tomcat server. This is the repository. Here I am using so Maven. So Maven or Java. What is the repository name I used here? So that repository name. So Maven web project. So this is my Maven web project. Maven web project. This is a Maven web project, and this is a CI/CD tool Jenkins. And here I integrated Git and I integrated Maven. Both are integrated. Okay. Now I generated artifact files. Artifact file. So I generated so Maven web project dot war file. It is generated. Okay. And finally, I want to deploy my Tomcat server, whether it is running or not. So how to deploy? How to deploy in our Tomcat server? Now clear, guys? Now these steps, anyone any doubt here? If you understand this flow in real time, also same step, same process, but in between we can add many stages, that is based on your requirement. We can add many stages, whatever you want, we can add it. So now up to clear. Anyone any doubt here? Yes or no? So if you go to here pipeline, in interview also 100% they are asking, can you write your project pipeline script and all. Now see here, this is a very simple way. So this is a pipeline agent tools. This is your Maven, and this is the one stage for SCM source code management, and one stage I compiled my Java classes, and one stage I generated artifact file. Now I want to deploy this artifact file to Tomcat server. So how to deploy it? Now anyone any doubt, guys, here? Right, manually how to deploy in Tomcat server. First you need to download the Tomcat server. First we need to download the Tomcat server, and we need to start the Tomcat server and all. First let me connect my Jenkins this instance and all, and so I will show you how it will work. This is instance, right? This is the T2 medium or micro. So I am going to
Little
set up
medium,
both.
sir.
Medium, right? Medium means it will run both, no problem. Now come to here, click on this connect, and so SSH, copy this one, and go to here. Where is this? And here right click, and here go to git bash and paste it. So control plus plus and sudo hyphen I am connected root user, and so the disk what is space and all, it is available, right? No problem. Now clear. Now I want to set up Tomcat server. Now as of now I don't have Tomcat server. So now how to connect with Tomcat server? Now first tell me how to download any file in Linux machine. What is the command? If you want to download any from internet, first
WZ, sir.
download Tomcat server. Okay, click on Tomcat, whichever version you want. I need 9, and so I need 9, and go to here. These are the binary distribution. So these are the binary distributions. Now this is a zip means this is for Windows. Tar means this is for Linux. Right click, copy link address, and coming to here, and coming to here, and just coming to here, ls, and wget, right, wget, give that, now it is downloaded. Now how to extract this file, guys? What is the command? tar hyphen
R-XVZF, sir.
zf, your tar name. So now it is generated. Now see here, cd space apache tomcat ls, and so apache tomcat ls, or if you want to, we can right, so if you want to, we can set up different machine also, no problem, that is your wish. Okay. Now this is right, now cd space conf configuration files, and so there is sudo vi server.xml file, server.xml file. Okay. So what is the default port number? Tomcat server
8080, sir.
80. So now I am going to change that port number. Why I need to change?
Jenkins also, sir.
Jenkins also running same instance. Now I'm using both are in same instance, right? Now I change this port number. Otherwise it won't work. Okay. Now I given 9090. Whatever you want, we can give it. Clear? Anyone any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
here? Escape
No, sir.
colon X. That's it. Now, if you want to log into that user and all, we can add this and all. Anyway, later we can add it. I hope you know, right, how to add Tomcat users and all. Now let me start. So how to start Tomcat server? ls. How to start? cd space bin binaries. So there is a one file is there. We can see two files. One for ll. Now we can see startup.batch and startup.sh file. This is for Windows. This is for
Linux.
how to run sh file.
Dot slash
Dot
startup dot sh.
slash startup.sh file.
sh.
That's it. Now Tomcat server was started. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now how to check whether Tomcat server is running or not? So go to copy instance ID, public, copy this public IP, and go to here. Just check it whether Tomcat server is running or not. 9090. That's it. Now working, all right. That's it. Very simple. Now Tomcat server is ready. Now what is our final target? So this is the flow. Once artifact file is generated, automatically I want to deploy this artifact file here. Maven web application dot war file. I want to deploy my Tomcat server. This is the whole story. Now I need to add one more stage. Now see here, I don't know how to add it. So now just let us check it. Now I don't know. Now see, I want to add. So deploy to artifact file. Deploy. Deploy to server or container. Deployment. Okay. Now this is for understanding artifact file from cat server. Now I don't know. So how to generate this script and all. Now tell me anyone. I want to connect this server. This is my Jenkins server, right? Now once build is success, automatically I want to deploy this war file into Tomcat server. Now you don't know anything, right? So already this is the snippet generator. Now if you go here, there is a one sample command is there. What is that? First, that is available or not? Check it. Deploy to container one command. Anything available here? So first check it whether that is installed or not. Plugin. How to install plugin? Go to manage Jenkins,
Available plugins.
and so go to plugins, and first you need to install that available plugin. Deploy to container plugin, guys. Deploy to container plugin. See here, this plugin allows to deploy war file to container. If you want to deploy your artifact file directly any server, so we need to use this plugin. First we need to install. It is not installed without restart. That's it. Now see here, plugin also ready. Now how to generate a script, how to write that pipeline script. Go to dashboard and go to here and go to here, not here, here, right? Go to click on this. This is right. Click on the pipeline, new tab here. Now select somewhere we can see that name. Setup Gradle artifact file. Not see. This is the artifact generate file. Build, cache, delete workspace, recovery, change directory, print, extend email, error if exists, or else we can restart the server. See that one? You can see one plugin deploy to container. This is deploy change, or let me restart my server. Okay. cd cd space dot. Okay. Still how to restart Tomcat Jenkins server system sys system ctl restart fta start restart Jenkins. That's it. Let me open the document also. We can easily understand. Go to here Jenkins pipeline. You can see here also scripted pipeline deploy to we can use with credential. This is the one way, or we can connect directly also. Different way we can do it. We'll try with this way. Here I am copying manually. I am copying that war file, and so I am going to deploy that Tomcat server and all. That this is the hard coded we given. We'll try different way. So with the credential pipeline. Now see here, deploy code. We can use deploy adapter. This is the deploy adapter. We can use, check this one. Now server is restarted or not? It is restarted. Now check the status. Status. What is the status? It is running or not? Active only, right? 1, 2, 3. Now go to here. Now go to here. Go to dashboard. Now login. Admin. Now go to pipeline. Now where is your pipeline? So now what is this? What is job name? Mav, right? Pipeline Mav. This one or this one? 15 minutes. Okay, this is correct. This one, all right? Okay. Now go to configuration, and so go to here, and so go to here, pipeline, this. Now check it. Now see here, deploy var er to container, correct? Now can you see this plugin, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Click on this, and so now er var. So whatever you want, we can give it same. Star star represents the root directory. I am copying and paste it. This is the context path. Context path is nothing but so which name you want to deploy your application. What is your application name? So now if you go here, same name I'm giving here. Context name is nothing but what name you want to deploy in our Tomcat server. Which name? That is your application. So here it is generated. What is that name? Maven Maven project. Same name I'm giving. This is your wish, guys. Whatever you want, we can give it. Context path. Okay. Now and the container. So which version you are using? Tomcat. What is the Tomcat version we used?
9, sir.
9. Select 9 version. So select 9, and it is asking so credential. So I don't have, right? Click on this, add. What is the Tomcat username password? Tomcat. So directly we can add admin, and so admin Tomcat credential. Tomcat so credential I'm giving add also. But anyway, it won't work. I need to add that credential also. Anyway, for time being, I'm selecting so Tomcat credential. Okay. Now, what is the URL? So, what is the URL, guys? So, where is that Tomcat link gone? Copy this public IP address, paste it here, colon 9090. So, this is the URL, right? Now, copy this URL and coming to here, just paste it. That's it. Now, anything missing? Clear, guys? Now see here, deploy to. This is the one sample command already provided by Jenkins. Deploy var or er to container. So this is the star star represents the root directory, subdirectory. This is your right, artifact file name, and extension should be var file. That's it. And this is the which name you want to deploy. Maven. So Maven project. Maven project. And this is the credential also added, and this is my Tomcat homepage URL, and that's it. So anything missing, guys? So this and all no need. That's it. Now finally generate the script. Generate the script. Now see here. Now generate the script. Copy this one. Go to here, and go to here. Go to configuration section. Click on the pipeline and go to add one more stage. Okay. Now I'm copying. Copy this same stage. And what is the stage name? Deploy. Already is there or not? Deployment. Okay. Now deploy the deploy deploy artifact file into Tomcat server. So here we need to use that command. Where is that command? Go to here, copy this, already generated, right? So just paste it. That's it, guys. Now clear? So here anyone any doubt? Now see here, this is the one stage. Once the artifact file is generated, this is the stage, and see here, this is the Tomcat credential, and this is my Tomcat URL, and this is the contacts path, which name you want to deploy, and this is the artifact file. Anyone, any doubt guys here? Which plugin I used here? Deploy to container plugin. So with the help of we can generate. So this is same. See here, deploy to container. This is the path. This is the credential context path and all. Whatever you want, we can use it. So before that, I need to add admin, right? So where is that? Here. This is right. Where is your Tomcat? ls cd space apache Tomcat ls, and where is which file we need? I need to add username, guys. User, where I have to use which file? Space config. I want to add username password. Which file?
config
ls, and there is one file, right?
Tomcat
Tomcat
users
hyphen Tomcat hyphen user.xml. Just the
users
vi Tomcat hyphen user.xml. That's it. Now insert, go down. So as of now, there is no user is enabled, and directly we can add any user. So already I have that how to use and all already, so or else I will share this script and just copy and paste it. That here somewhere Tomcat one file is there. Click that one. Mm, mm, mm. Jenkins Tomcat setup in Linux mission. So here there is some files and available. Just copy and paste it. That's it. How to copy and all. Even if you Google it, we'll get this all information. You don't worry. If you Google it, how to copy and all. If anyone know, just we can copy and now go to here. Where is my file? Go to here. Now come to here. So right click, just paste it. Now see here. What is the username? Admin. What is the password? I give an admin. I role. These are my roles. That's it. If you want to add any user in Tomcat server, this is the path. This is the path. So go to home directory. There is one more file also is there. We need to go to this. What is that file name? Under go to web apps manager metadata context. We need to disable this line. This is only Linux machine. Now go to web apps manager metadata. I will share this file for your reference. Just go through it. So come back. What is this file? cd space web apps directory. Under web apps directory, cd space manager. Under manager, cd space. What is the file name, guys? What is the path? Manager meta hyphen
Meta.
inf. Meta hyphen inf. Meta hyphen inf. Uppercase. Meta hyphen f. Now ls. Sorry, ls, and this is a file. So vi context. So here there is a one line is there. This is only Linux machine, not Windows. So there is a value val. There is a one line is there. We need to disable this line. Comment this line. That's it. So already I noted here. See here. Remove the restriction to manager application. So open the file and comment this line. Comment this line from the file. That's it. Okay. Now how to comment it? XML file less than exclamation mark hyphen go to end of up to which up to where you want to comment hyphen greater than. That's it. That line was commented. Now escape colon x. If you modify anything configuration files, what you need to do, guys? Configuration files and all. If anything modified server configuration files, directly it will work or it won't work. I modified two files, Tomcat user.xml file, and also I modified context.xml file. So now if I want to see that effect, I need to restart my Tomcat server. Now got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to restart Tomcat server? cd space apache tomcat ls cd space bin. Tell me how to restart my tomcat server. Here directly if you want to shut down, there is a shutdown.sh, or directly we can stop also. Dot slash shutdown.sh. Okay, now again I am to restart. Again I want to start. Now see here, we can't access this server. Now stop also we can do, or directly we can so stop it again, start it. Start dot slash startup dot sh file. So now tomcat server is started. Now coming to here, copy this public IP, your instance, go to browser, paste it, port number 9090. Now click on the manage. Now it is asking username password. What is the username, guys? I added my tomcat username
Admin, sir.
admin. So admin admin, admin admin. See, still it is not accepted. It is not stopped properly. Admin admin admin. Still it is not reflected. Now go to here. Now ls service stop tomcat. It is working or not? I think it is not installed, right? Manually I did something, right? Okay. Now how to stop it, guys? Please try systemctl. Systemctl enable. That file is not available. This is the manual I created, right? Now cd back ls cd space bin. Now dot. Is there any other file? Catalina.sh. Catalina. Now this is the startup.
Yes, sir.
All
It's
this
there, sir.
cancel. Directly here also we can shut down. So dot slash shu shutdown dot sh. It is shut down or not? Okay, jar. Now start the Tomcat server. This is manually we are running, not installed. Okay, now check it. Come to here. Just refresh it. Now admin admin. The connection to this site not private. Which IP address I given? Private or public? Public only, right? Now run. I think still it is not affected. Already we added, right? Let me come back. I remove and I'll add it. ll rm space. How to remove the file? Rm space ls r hyphen xvz apache tomcat ls cd space apache and ls cd space conf ls and so va service dot. Quickly I'm updating. Insert So insert 9090 escape colon x. Now what is one more file? va tomcat hyphen user dot xml file. Insert, go down and just add one user. Already I have that script, right? Roles, that's it. Paste it, that's it. Escape colon x. Next one more file, cd space, one step back, cd space, where is that guys? Cd space web apps ls, cd space manager ls, cd space meta inf, meta inf. Next ls and va context dot xml file. Insert, comment this line. This is only in Linux, not Windows. Go down. If you want to log in that user, we need to disable that particular line. Escape colon x. Now everything done. Now run the Tomcat server. cd dot ls, cd space bin ls and dot sh start slash sta startup dot sh. Now Tomcat server started. Now go to here. Now just refresh it. Now it is asking admin 90 added or not? 90. Go to your instance, click on this and where is this security group? Group port number allowed or not? Edit inbound rules. All traffic. This is correct one, right? Anywhere. Now coming to EC2, servers, copy public IP address colon 9090 app. Connection to this site not private. Password username correct or not? admin admin correct one, right? Already added, right? Manager GUI, everything we added. Script added, status added, everything we added. Let me come to here ls cd space cd dot ls and cd space work not work, cd space conf ls cat space tomcat hyphen user dot xml role manager GUI username admin roles admin manager. Anything missing, ma? This is correct only. Why it is not restarted?
Sir, do we need to use change mode, sir?
change
Like
mode
one.
already we added, right? ADMIN. Anyway, directly I am trying to deploy it, whether it will work or not, or directly I can access via context path. Now come to pipeline. Now this is correct, right? Now this is correct. Anyway, it will fail. Apply, save. Now we'll see. Based on this error, we'll add it. Now anyway, it will fail almost. User is not working, right? deployment failed. Now, right, error. What is the problem here? Check it. So now var file is generated, failed to redeploy variable lib pipeline and var file. Okay. HTTP is not request. Tell me what is the user means? Admin. Jenkins user, correct only. Apply to code steps we are giving same, but here problem is we are unable to connect that user. Here is the problem. I don't know, it's still not working. It will take time. Your connection to this site is not private. No problem, not private, public only. ADMIN. GUI is we are unable to connect.
Sir, for running SH file, we are giving.
Wait. Now I got it. Wait. I think someone already here. Some content is running same port number. Docker ps-a. It is also running same port number. Okay, 8080. Anyway, let me remove this. Docker rm -f container id. I don't know. Here two servers are running. Let me check it. Maybe this is a problem or not. Docker ps-a. Now we don't have Docker images. Many Docker rmi. How to remove all images, ma? Docker rmi -f dollar
$C Docker
Docker
images.
images. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Docker system. Yes. Now clear. Okay. Now come to here. Now let me try it. Ready? Still it is not available. Plus cd space apache tomcat ls cd space bin cd space bin ls. Okay. Slash shutdown. Okay. Now what is the time now? 8 o'clock. I have call. Just I will check it. I'll just try it. I will show you next class. Last step. Start sta startup.sh. Something is missing. Just try your side. Same steps only. No need to do anything. And so these steps only. Already know, right? I will share the script and all. So anyway, next class I will show you. Now I have 8 o'clock office call. Okay, I need to connect that one. I will send both the script, this one and this one. Just try it. I don't know why it is showing, still it is not reflected. Admin. Automatically we'll get a home page and all. Madhvi. Okay, so I will show you next class, no problem. Just if you have time, try it.
Okay, sir.